Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp profile picture error. So basically what this means is like when somebody is trying to view your profile on your WhatsApp, like if some other person is viewing your profile, then he won't be able to see it. So the first reason behind this error could be like if it is internet connection is slow. If the person's internet connection is slow, then he won't be able to see my WhatsApp. So it could be his problem as well, not yours. So if it's the internet connection problem, then it is his problem and we cannot fix it. And if it is our problem, then it's because of if we have hidden our profile. If we have put in our profile and hidden, then nobody would be able to see it. So make sure to make your profile unhidden. So for that, click on this three dot, click on setting, click on account, click on privacy, and over here click on profile photo and click on everyone. If it is selected on nobody, it means nobody can see your profile. If it is selected on my contact, then only the people who is on your contact list can see your profile. So make sure it is on everyone, because if you put on everyone, then everyone could see your profile. So this should basically fix your problem. And if it is still doesn't fixes your problem, then the other thing you can do is report this problem to WhatsApp's staff and they would fix it. So for this, you can go over here, and over here you can click on help, and on help click on contact us, and then contact us, describe your problem. So our problem is, you can write this: my friends aren't being able to see my profile, please fix it. So you can write whatever thing you want, just explain your problem in a simple way, and click on next. And after clicking on next, you can click on this doesn't answer my question, and you can click on Gmail, because we are going to be sending a Gmail to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp staff is going to view it and they're going to try to solve our problem. And now it may take like 4 hours to 2 days for them to reply, and once they reply, they're gonna reply to you in email telling how you can fix this problem, and you can follow their step and fix this problem. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And yeah, click this button to send the email. I forgot to tell you that, but it's basic, you guys might know it. So yeah, if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. Have a nice day everybody, bye bye and peace out.